Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and in the download drive for Lexmark C734 Surya. C4 you type to drive download this one. And this C4 the I need to download drive for official website, and this C4 official website you click here. This official website not the virus, not the virus, and easy to download for the official website. And you scroll down and looking for the title driver and support, click here for the title and click here for title driver and download and paste model to print and click find driver and download. This here for take your automatic your USB your operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. If you need change the operating system, you click here. This here for the operating system for the Windows support, not support for the Linux, not support uh, for the Mac, and this here for support for the Windows only. And you click here for the version, and this here for update for the Windows, and this here for Windows 11 driver, this for Windows 10 driver, Windows 7 driver, Windows 8 driver, Windows 8.1 driver, and this here for the Windows Server. And I am excited for the website, and this here for support your Windows 11 new version for the Windows 11. And click here for the Windows 11. You're looking here this here for update for the version your Windows 11, and this here for the language English support, and looking here is here for that release update your Windows 11 support. And I'm recommendation for you, you download for package, and this here for new update for the universal print rifle installation package. You'll support your Windows 11, and click here for the title and click here for the start download button. Let's see for your driver download. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put your USB printer to laptop or PC with USB cable printer and press button finish for download. If you finish for download, you double click here and you click here, you click open, you double click file, you click next and you click finish. This here for tag automatic USB cable printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link on the description, if you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. Okay, bye next time. See you.